Mamelodi Sundowns squandered a golden opportunity to re-establish a 5-point cushion at the summit of the Betway Premiership after they were held to a hard-fought draw by Kaizer Chiefs in a tense and fiery encounter on Wednesday evening. Fresh from consecutive victories over Polokwane City, the Brazilians entered the clash in Pretoria brimming with confidence and eager to tighten their grip on the title race. Kaizer Chiefs meanwhile arrived wounded after their 2-0 defeat to Siwalele, a result that abruptly halted their 7-match unbeaten streak. Despite expectations that Chiefs would reinforce the middle of the park following the Soweto derby setup, the visitors surprisingly opted for a lighter midfield combination of Lebohang Mabue and Percy Ndlovu. Sundowns immediately took control of possession, dictating the tempo with their trademark fluid passing game while looking particularly dangerous down the left flank through the lively Tashreeq Mathews and Aubrey Modiba.